Hi everyone. Today I would like to provide you some information about how much people spend on restaurant meals and how often they dine in fast food shops and sit-down restaurants. First of all, I'm going to talk about the charts which illustrate the percentage of the expenditure the average family spend on restaurant meals and home cooking in various years. Then Then I'm going to describe the graph which shows the number of meals that family had in fast food shops and sit-down restaurants. First, it can be seen from the charts that the average family has increased their number of meals in restaurants sharply over the past 30 years. In 1970, only 10% of the food budget was spent on restaurant meals and then 15% in 1980. After that, the percentage more than doubled in 1990, which was 35%, whereas it rose to 50% in 2000. By contrast, the budget for home cooking plummeted by 40% between 1970 and 2000. Now, now let us move on to the graph. According to the graph, the type of restaurants which families always go has also changed a lot in the past 30 years. In 1970, families had the same number of meals in fast food shops and sit-down restaurants. Then, in 1980, families slightly preferred eating in sit-down restaurants more than in fast food shops. However, the situation has changed dramatically since 1990. Fast food shops have much more popular among families than sit-down restaurants. That family had over 50 meals of fast food, but only over 40 of sit-down restaurant meals. In 2000, the number of fast food meals peaked at just over 80, while that of restaurant meals reached a little more than 40. To summarize, we can find out dining in restaurants has become more popular, and people prefer eating fast food more than restaurant food. I believe the main reason is that nowadays people have got used to the hustle of city, leading a busy life. Therefore, they do not have free time to cook at home, and the alternative will be eating in restaurants. Moreover, since many fast food shops such as McDonald's and KFC popped up in the last few decades, more people have preferred them than sit-down restaurants due to their convenience and the less time consumption. And this is the end of my presentation. Thank you.